Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Chris, aka Chief Crispy. We're gonna do a quick product review over here with my 22 Chief Bobber. We're gonna be talking about Viking Bags, ArrowHead bags. Alright, let's get started. Right over here, we got two buckles. Come detachable right over here. It's also key lockable, so if you guys are away from the bike, you can keep all your goods nice and safe. Also, on the right hand side of the bag, there's also a cutout for the exhaust, so the bag aren't drooping and touching the bag, so you're not melting them. Alright, let's get started on the mounting. If you guys have the stock pegs from Indian passenger pegs, there's two bolts down in here, two bolts on the other side. They'll connect. Also down here, there's 4 bolts you'll screw in. You open the bag. There's 2 bolts right here. They'll connect it right into the frame. Alright, let's talk about how much you can fit in these. Got a pair of gloves. And also I have my armor jacket and a face shield. If you guys pack it nice and tight, you can get yourself 2 days worth of trip. These bags are also water resistant. I've already gone through a couple rainstorms with these, and these bags hold up pretty well. These bags are also nice and affordable. Compared to Indians, they're about almost $2,000 versus you can get these over Vikingbags.com for about over half the price. Alright guys, make sure you get yourself a pair of saddlebags over at Vikingbags.com.